What's going on, everybody? Rebel Badger here. I just wanted to show you all this cheap, awesome idea that I found for a kill flash or your scope hider, whatever you want to call it. That little piece right there is about $40. At least that's how much I got that one for. And I just don't want to spend $40 on a little piece of plastic and a rubber band. So my redneck engineer himself came up with this. First tested it out with my pellet gun. If you look right there, it still works. You can see through it and everything. See that yellow? Yeah. See? Yeah, it still works. Now, I also used it for my binoculars. I think these came out a little better. They're not perfect. They don't look too pretty or nothing, but it works. And that's all you need. So, I'm going to show y'all how I make this. What I do is start off with your nice, this is mil-spec grade cardboard. You're going to grab your binoculars, whatever you want, and you're going to trace around it. That circle right there. You're going to trace around. Now, once you trace around it, you're going to want to cut inside the line. Inside, not outside. Inside, because you're measuring the line, so you're going to have to cram that sucker in there. You see, it's already bent because of how much bigger it was and how I had to stuff it in there. And you boys know I'm not used to stuffing big things in small holes. So, you're going to want to cut a little bit in that line. Now, the next thing I do to kind of waterproof it, I wrap it in duct tape. Duct tape fixes everything, makes it last longer, whatever. Because I don't want to make this again. Right. I wrapped it in duct tape. See, I kind of cut through the duct tape where the hole is. But the next time I do this, I'd follow the duct tape in there because I don't want that getting wet. That's going to get moisture in there and it's going to ruin it. But once I wrap that duct tape, put your hole in it. I guess it depends on the scope how big you can put your hole in it. But then what I like to do is this stuff that you put under your furniture, your rugs, whatever. You've probably seen this stuff before. I don't know the name of it. But I'll just put that right there. Then you get your spray paint. You spray a little bit. And then you're going to get your other color. You're going to move it a little bit. You're going to shake it. You're going to hit it again. And then you're going to move it again. And get your spray paint. And well, bam. Now, I think this is a little too bright. It's that color right there. I was trying to go for like an olive OD green. Yeah, that's some OD green right here. That's OD green. That's coyote tan next to it. And I don't think that was so green. I think that's too bright. It's not a dark green like I'd like, but I'll do that for my camo. There's other ways to camouflage them with spray paint and everything. But I like this because, everyone has cardboard, everyone has duct tape, and it's cheap. You can remake it. You can keep doing it over and over again. But, once you cut it out, you're just going to literally just push it all in there, and you're good to go. Make sure you don't scratch your lens or anything. I don't put any paint on the other side, just so I don't get any paint on my lens, even though these are cheapo binoculars. But, they work. They get the job done. You can see through there. You can't, but, I just wanted to show y'all that, and try to save y'all some money and prepare for the coming civil unrest. Y'all take it easy and have a wonderful day. God bless.